Hello friends, today we are going to talk about text formatting in HTML. In HTML, there is a list of elements that specify text style. So, formatting elements were designed to display special types of text. So, I will type some of them. You please pay attention. So, we first paste the basic structure of HTML page. It's like this. So I have already posted a video on basic structure of HTML page, but I will explain. These are like opening and closing of HTML page. Here we type whatever we want to display in our HTML page. This is what is to be displayed in the title of the HTML page. So we now begin. So first of all, we talk about p element. This is common element. Whatever you type between this will appear very simple. So let me type my name is Faraz. Okay, we close this tag. Sorry. And okay, now we type the same thing with a B tag. What the B tag will do, it will bold the text. Whatever you type here will be printed as bold text. So we type my name. So we just cut and paste it, copy paste it. So we copy it. See, and paste. We close these tags. So I have told you the B tag will bold the text between this. Now we move to big text. So I just copy it and paste it over here. So now we talk about big tag. What the big tag will do is it will just big the text. It will just increase the size of text a bit. So we see it. Now we move to I tag. So this tag I change the text into italic. Okay, now we move to small tag. It will type the letter in small text. So we just paste up the stuff. We will type P small tag, Faraz small exclamatory mark, and we close this tag. Okay, now there are some other tags also, like strong. It strongs the text, but we don't use it right now. So we move to sub, that is subscripted text. So we type up it. For a subscripted text you will type sub and the text, and we close the tag. Okay, now we move to ins. It's inserted text, so it will appear like inserted text in your HTML page. So we type it ins, type up our message for us, we close this tag, we close the p tag. So, and the last text we are going to talk about in this video is of deleted text. So I don't remember the work of this text, but I feel we will experiment it and see what is the result. So we type delete and close this tag. Now we save it. So as I have told you that for to make any document a HTML page, you just need to save with the extension of .html. Last it, so just click yes. So friends, now let's see our page. So you see, this is what we which is the message displayed in the normal P element. Now this is the bold text. This is again a normal text. This is italic text. This is big. This is small. This is underlined, and this that is inserted. This is a deleted text. So friends, thank you for watching my video. Please share this video, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.